so I was thinking more like 275.
Yeah, I'm glad you brought that up actually. So I printed off some photos of each of the listings that sold.
Okay.
And the ones that aren't selling, there's still the builder's grade, kitchens and baths. The
Mhm.
ones that are under contract, as you can see, they also had updates.
Okay.
So, but I'm sure you, like you said, your other neighbors have sold them, so it sounds like you've looked maybe online and viewed their photos.
Yeah, and I've seen a lot of them, you know, we have parties
Yeah.
all the time, so I've
Sure.
been in their
Yeah.
houses, and I know that
Yeah.
some of them are kind of cluttered, and,
Sure, sure.
you know, I've really tried to keep my house nice.
Yeah, and that's what I liked about your house. It looks like you've already took some beginning steps and started decluttering your house, and getting it ready to sell, so we should be able to sell it pretty quickly.
Great.
So, do you have any other questions for me? We can start getting on, doing the paperwork right now.
Well, what do you do to get my house sold? Like, will you do open houses?
Sure, I will. So the first weekend, I like to leave that open to the public, because I do quite a bit of marketing before we list the house. So we want to allow the most amount of time for buyers to come in with their realtors. So the first weekend, I won't have an open house. However, the second weekend, I will. And that will be, you know, to attract other buyers the second weekend. But we will have open houses, correct?
Okay, great. So what is the process?
Sure, after we fill out the paperwork, what I'll do is I'll take it back to my office. My transaction coordinator will actually get in touch with you within about 1 to 2 business days. While she's doing that, I'll start marketing your property. Would you mind if I sold your property before it went active?
If you can get 275, that's great.
Okay, excellent. So, so she'll do that, and then, you know, I'd recommend that we do an occupancy inspection. That way, we know ahead of time what's gonna be required on your home. You don't have any, unexpected charges or fees, or repairs that need to be made. Does that make sense? So
Sure.
like I
So
said,
the occupancy inspection is something that I have to do?
that's something that you'll wanna do that FEMA requires.
Okay, what else do I have to do?
You'll do that, and then since you have gas, I recommend that you do a gas inspection. It's kinda like when you're selling your car. If you do a state inspection beforehand, it's just more attractive to buyers. Does that make sense?
Okay, sure.
So, great.
And then what's your commission?
Sure. So, commission's pretty easy. It works, the easiest way to explain it is, it works like this. We charge 6%, which I'm sure you're familiar with as the standard fees. I make, it's basically split in 4 ways. I'll make 3% commission, and then the other, the buy side will actually make 3%. Then we split that commission. I split that half with my broker. So I actually make 1.5. My broker makes 1.5. And when I say broker, I mean Keller Williams, the company that I work for. And the same way on the other side. Whoever brings the buyer, they'll do 1.5%, and then they'll pay, you know, say Remax, they'll pay 1.5% to their side.
Okay.
So that's kind of the breakdown of commission.
Okay, well, I did meet with another